What's up, peoples? That I was talking. I mean, I don't even know what else I was talking. Okay? It's such a cute background though. Like, y'all just can't sit there for me for a minute. This is the second time. I'm not gonna be able to have this background for long, because if y'all keep interrupting me, I'ma blow my look. You know what? I'm already in the mood. Let's talk about what I'm not going to do in 2019. Like, I know we're already in like April or whatever, but I felt like I didn't want to talk about what I wasn't going to do in 2019 until I was actually in 2019 doing it up. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know what I was going to do. I don't know what I was going to do in 2019 when I was in 2018. That's really jumping the borders there, okay? I barely know what I'm gonna do in the next 10 minutes. So now that we're in 2019, let me tell you what I haven't been doing with my hair, okay? That way you ain't even got to guess if I'm doing it behind the scenes, okay? Let's just get into it. Number one, this is a big one. And I'm placing it first because if there are any companies watching my video right now, please understand what I'm saying, okay? We're gonna break it down step by step, okay? Sit back. I am no longer doing complicated hairstyles. I'm not doing it. I've never done it before, but working with, getting the opportunity to work with a lot more bigger companies, I'm starting to get requested to do more complicated hairstyles. And let me just tell you my take on it. I am a filmmaker, okay? I am someone who is like everybody's little fly sister, and on the flip side, I'm some people's big sister. I'm the big sister that knows the tips and tricks around the ways. I'm the person you come to when you want to simply do your hair and you just want to live. You just want to be a baddie and you just want to chill and have nice hair. I'm that YouTuber. I'm not a hairstylist, okay? I haven't been to cosmetology. Never in a million years plan to go to cosmetology. Never plan to work in a hair salon. I don't plan on doing none of that, okay? I don't do complicated hairstyles. Now, I could sit down and watch another YouTuber do a complicated hairstyle and mimic it and put my own razzle dazzle on it and make it my own. However, I'm also a YouTuber myself. So I have been really doing this out here in these streets for a really long time and making a conscious effort not to break my hair off. For you guys on the other side of this screen, you're not YouTubers and you're definitely not hairstylists, okay? So I'm not gonna sit here and do a complicated hairstyle that I know you really won't be able to follow. If I literally did everything down to the T, some of you type 4C girls are going to recreate it and it's 100% not gonna look like mine, okay? Either because you lack the know-how, either because we just have different textures and the hairstyle has now been over complicated to fit me, and it's so complicated that you would have to add your own razzle dazzle, but since you're not a hairstylist, you already don't know how to add your own razzle dazzle. So what you're going to do is you're going to end up breaking off your hair, okay? All it takes is one time to break off your hair, and you're not getting that back until you grow it back out. So I'm never going to sit here and do overly complicated hairstyles for the sake of, you know, a company or for the sake of a hair product. That's not what I'm here for. Because if you break off your hair trying to do a complicated hairstyle, I mean, what did you expect? It's a complicated hairstyle. You're not a hairstylist, so this probably isn't going to go well. So I am not doing that. On top of that, there's been some companies that have asked me to do some complicated hairstyles, and I have tried and ended up breaking my own hair off, okay? So I'm not with the shiznits anymore, okay? I'm not. When you come to my channel, what you can expect to see, what I do on the daily, I do simple hairstyles, and I worry whether a product actually moisturizes or melts into my hair. Whatever hairstyle I pick, I could use that product or I could use another product, honestly. It doesn't really matter. A hairstyle is a hairstyle. Moisturization has nothing to do with a hairstyle. You can have the baddest, most flyest hairstyle and your hair be dry and crispy crackety, okay? So if you want your product to be reviewed or you guys want to see products, that is what I'm harping on. Is it going to moisturize your hair? If you're low porosity, is it going to sink into your hair? That's the kind of YouTuber I am, okay? Now that that's out the way, number two, what I'm not going to be doing no more. I am not going to be wearing my hair out and about that much, okay? I am sticking to protective styles. It is how I started this channel. It is the main whoop-de-doo about me. I like protective styles. I love braids, okay? I find myself, when I go to do a braid out, just leaving the braids in and kind of not even doing the braid out. Just leaving them in and wearing them in a ponytail. That's me. Sometimes I'm out in these streets looking like Felicia. To be honest with you, there's been a couple of subscribers that I could clearly tell you were a subscriber of mine, but since I was looking like Felicia and I wasn't looking like CHAZZZ-A-LATTE, you weren't totally sure if that was me, because I also don't wear makeup on the daily. That's how I roll, okay? Now, the next thing, your girl ain't doing no more, okay? Well, let me just say I'm going to incorporate this into my routine. Oils. Last year especially, I barely used black castor oil. And that is something that is a big staple for me. Like, you guys always ask me about the old sponsorships or product reviews, whether I'm still using those products. Some of those products I still use, and some of those products I really wish I still used. Okay, like HerGivenHair, I really need to re-up on HerGivenHair. Jamaican mango black castor oil, I re-up on that, but then for some reason I lose it. I'm not sure if, I'm not sure who's taking it. Like, I don't know, but I need to be incorporating more oils. All right, it's already April? Okay, that was embarrassing. I should edit that out. It's already April, and your girl really has like not put any Jamaican black castor oil anywhere. Like, I haven't put it on my edges. I haven't really put it on the ends of my hair. I think I maybe used it once since January, and that's unlike you, girl. That's real unlike me. Like, when's the last time y'all done really used some some black castor oil? When is the last time? Be honest, comment it down below, because I want to make sure I'm not the only one. Okay, I'm starting to feel a little embarrassed, because it is the perfect oil when you are talking about the health of your kinky, coarse, type 4 hair. It's like the oil for us, especially for restoration. So if you ain't using it, go ahead, comment down below, because I'm not either, and I don't want to feel like I'm the only one. Now, I completely forgot what number I'm on, okay? But the next thing is, I'm actually going to start wearing, I know this is going to sound weird because I'm always wearing it, but I'm going to start wearing high poofs more, okay? Reason being, don't get it twisted, I have the length for a high poof, okay? And I don't use rubber bands. I have my bunny tail contraption on lock. I use a string that I'm not gonna say never lose, okay? I'm not gonna put jinx myself, but I use this one string. It's perfect, doesn't rip any hair out. Since it's a string, I don't actually have to tie it tight like a rubber band. I'm in control of how tight it is. I always brush out my edges. So I'm basically just going to start wearing more high poofs when I'm not wearing a protective style. And the reason I'm making that conscious decision is because anything else at this point, I'm not saying it's too much, but that's just going to be my go-to, because I know last year, I had the length for it, but I just didn't partake in it, and it's the easiest thing you can do. However, it is the most dangerous. I'm going to link a video if I already have it edited. It's how to moisturize your high poof. If you are going to decide to do the same thing that I'm doing and wear high poofs on your days off, go ahead and watch that video so you know how to moisturize and take care of a high poof, okay? High poof maintenance is real, and you need to know how to do it. I've been pointing up here, and I hope that's where the eye is, because my camera kind of flips me. I don't know. Okay, just if it's not over here, it's over here. But I think it's over here. Next thing. Okay, this is actually a big one. What I'm not doing in 2019 is this the... Why? Do I just not know the date? Bear? Okay, I didn't need your 2 cents. I am going to start trying to incorporate more hair care lines that have black castor oil in it, okay? I'm not really saying this is what I'm not gonna do, because I know Kira Care, I just found out about their brand. They're super dope, and they have black castor oil in their products, okay? But they also have coconut oil. And one thing I was starting to become weary of is, it's not that I don't like coconut oil, It's just, it's in everything. And I feel like if you're a hair company, I kind of feel like you would put other things. And I know people put like mango and other weird like ingredients in their hair products to make it sound more like a smoothie and more enticing. But when it comes down to the nitty gritty of hair care and what oils and actual things are going to help your hair, I'm not really seeing it with the coconut oil game. Okay, every company has coconut oil as the end all be all for their entire collection, and I'm not really totally for it, you know what I mean? So I'm definitely going to start looking for more companies that have black castor oil or any other oil as the base for their collection. And so that's actually, it's weirdly enough, it's kind of really important to me. It's going to be my mission for 2019 to find more diverse hair collections, okay? And ones that actually have meaning. Like, I'm not saying mango, papaya, all that stuff doesn't do anything for your hair, because it, you know, it does. But we all know the heavy hitters, okay? We all know what we're comfortable with, and I want to kind of see, I want to see more black castor oil collections, because that's what really helps type 4 hair. Coconut oil really goes well with silkier textures, not coarse textures, okay? Like, it works. Like, don't get me wrong, you can still wash your hair with it, you can use the conditioner, you can use the styler, but everybody, like, we have a crap ton of those out already. So can we do something new? You know what I mean? Can we do something new? Like, okay. And let's see what else. My feet are falling asleep. Oh, shut up, Bear. Okay, this was a good idea at first until, geez, things are tightening up. Oh, I'm getting old. And comment down below what y'all haven't been doing in 2019, okay? 'Cause maybe y'all got some tips, okay? So shoot them down in them comments, okay? Because maybe I need to stop doing some more things. Like, I'm curious, because I'm real lazy. So it's very enticing for me to not do something, okay? So go ahead, fill up them comments with what you are not doing 2019, okay? Appeal to the lazy natural in me. And just so we can top this off, just in case you're new to my channel, since I haven't really been posting, but some things that I stopped doing in 2018, just to roll this over so we know what's going on. I stopped detangling my hair after every product application, okay? I don't know if you understand what I mean, so let me explain. After you shampoo your hair, some people detangle. After you condition, you detangle. Once you go to style your hair, you detangle. Once you go to actually do the braid or the twist, you detangle, okay? No, I no longer do that. I detangle a max of 2 times, okay? I shampoo my hair. I'm not finger detangling or anything like that. I'm kind of just like pulling it to get the shampoo in there. Then I rinse that out. Then I get the conditioner in there. And I might detangle there. It depends on what tool I'm using. And it depends on how like mattified my hair is. But I might detangle there. Now, where I absolutely know where I'm going to detangle, absolutely, is when I go to style, okay? That is where I'm going to detangle. Now, the conditioner, if you are using the correct kind of conditioner for your hair, once you condition, you really shouldn't have any problems detangling your hair, finger detangling at that point, or even at the point where you hop out the shower after you've rinsed the majority of that conditioner out and you go to style. You know, you might have but you know, detangling isn't easy anyways. So you're already going to have that issue in the shower when you condition. You're going to have that issue when you were shampooing. So you're going to have that issue when you were styling, whether you detangled 2 times ago, you're always going to have that issue. So might as well save yourself the breakage until the very, very end of your whole wash day process. So I no longer detangle 3 and 4 times during my process. Now, I do section my hair off still. And like I said, my hair is naturally always sectioned in the middle and parted down the sides. Since I've been doing that for years, my hair just naturally kind of falls that way now because my hair is trained, like I always say. But as far as detangling the sections, yeah, I just get the shampoo and conditioner in there. Next thing, I do not do my hair wet anymore. As I showed you guys, if you watched the How to Moisturize Your High Poof, I did that on dry hair. Well, I don't want to say I did that on dry hair, but I started off on dry hair. I did not go do a wash and go and then come and sit down and try and do a high poof. My hair was not saturated. No, I got a little misting water bottle, misted my hair, and I went from there. Okay, honestly, by the middle of the video, my hair was completely dry again, and I was just at that point adding in the oil. Okay, not even the gel, but the oil. So I don't do my hair sopping wet. I have a video on my Aquas, my Aquas turban. I have another turban from a different place or whatever that also is like a microfiber towel that soaks up a lot of water. I use that still. Yeah, I really need to do some updated wash day routines for you guys so you can really get the gist of what I'm saying here. But this end portion here is just to let you know in its entirety what's going on in 2019. Since you haven't been able to see me, it's like a little update video. So go ahead and click that subscribe button because your girl is back at it. You know what I mean? Back at it. Okay? Click the subscribe button. I'm not gonna stop dancing until you click the subscribe button, okay? So go ahead, click it. Look. No, you're still here, so I don't even understand why you haven't clicked it. You know what I mean? Excuse me, if you could just move your head a little bit. Yeah, subscriber, from like 2016, 2017. Yeah, don't worry. I know you're subscribed. Don't even worry about it. Okay, I was talking to this guy right here. Okay, so definitely click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, don't forget to thumbs up and follow me on Instagram at CHAZZZ-A-LATTE. See you guys later. Peace out.